Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite low vision friend Kay back with another video. Now I know the scenery is a little different, but today it is, I don't know what time it is, but it's like nighttime and I'm gonna do a different type of video for Vlogmas or whatever, and I was gonna cook dinner and whatnot. So I was gonna make goulash. Yeah, I'm gonna make goulash, and I'm basically gonna show y'all what the different techniques I use and what do I do being low vision, how I'm able to cook and all that jazz. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get it. So I'm going to be cutting a bell pepper and an onion, but this is a contrast cutting board. It's white on the side and then black on the other side. Now I can see transparent colors, so I need, transparent stuff. So being that if I'm cutting something that is a dark color, I need it on the white side, and if I'm cutting something that has a light color, I'll flip it and cut it on the black side. So that's what I'm basically going to be using, both sides, because I have the bell pepper. So don't add my cuticles. I'm just leave me alone. And this is all that I got after cutting it, so yeah. I'm done cutting the bell pepper. I'm using the black side for the onion. So I'm gonna just do that. I like to cut it while it's like this, because it's better for me to peel it off. Now I've just failed to see if I got all of the skin thing off, so I'll just cut it. I think I did, so I'm gonna just cut it now. And sometimes if I did it, the skin sometimes come off. Now with this, I just pull as much as I can, because I don't know if it's good or not. Like I don't know. So I just pull all what I can get off to make sure that I don't cut nothing, no skin or nothing on it, since I can't see that good. This is what I got on the onions. I'm probably gonna mix it some more, but probably not gonna use this much. I don't know, it depends, but yeah. So, being that I can't really see the numbers and stuff on these, my husband put bump dots on them. They sometimes help, but I just kind of guesstimate on what to do. So I'm gonna just put that, it's either on high or like, it's semi-high, whatever. So I basically just do that and wait till the water is boiling. So we'll see. And then even like, for example, with my microwave, this has bump dots on it. So yeah, this is what I deal with. Those have bump dots too. Okay, so now it's boiling. Normally when it's boiling like this, you can feel the heat to let you know that it's boiling or not. Because sometimes we're not able to see if it's boiling. You can hear it, obviously, or you can feel it. So that's what we mostly do when boiling water and things like that. So my husband's cooking the meat. So that's the ground beef I'm gonna be cooking. So, well, he's gonna be cooking. Since this is hard for me to see if it's done or not, I normally time it for about 10 minutes to make sure all the noodles are tender and is done instead of being hard, because I can't tell if it's, you know, soft or not. So I just do it for about 10 minutes and keep stirring it so it don't stick to the bottom. But yeah. Okay, so I drained the water out of the noodles, so now I'm about to put some, what is this, garlic, the onion powder, and the spaghetti sauce, and then put this chopped up bell peppers and onions I already had cut up, and then wait on the meat to be done so I can mix everything together. So I'll be back with the final results. Okay, so this is the final. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of like a little bit all over the place, but I hope I got some good shots in, so, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, that is the things that I use on a day-to-day basis when I be cooking. So, well, that is some of the things I use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. And also go follow me on my Instagram at NaturalBeautyK. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.